Hello guys, today we're gonna change the brake hoses on my 30-year-old Vanagon. This one is to be changed. See, this new one, which is I think it's called steel braiden or something. At least it's supposed to be. It's not swelling like the old one does. So let's see how we do it, shall we? Let's see if we can. Here we need to loosen this one. It's a 14mm spanner, and on the other side, on this brake pipe piece, this is a 11mm spanner. So the same on this place, 11mm on top and 14mm on the bottom. And you need one of these to collect the brake fluid, because there will be brake fluid leakage. Okay, let's start. Gloves, rubberized gloves. It's a nice thing to have when you work with brake fluid. And that's it, I think. Now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. Okay, there we have it. Ooh. Old hose, rubber hose. This is steel braiden. I don't know what this is for, but yeah. Now we need to take out the air and refuel everything with new brake fluid, and we should be good to go. Okay. Plastic bottle with a brake bleeder kit. Spanner number 7. Where is it? Number 7. Yes, easy. So now it's a good idea to have another person to push the brakes, and at the same time watch the brake reservoir, so it's not going to be empty, because then it will draw some air inside the system and you have to do it all over again. I will get one person. Okay, we need to refill some brake fluid. fluid all the way to the top mark, which says max, and a little over. So we have to work on. Guys, that's about it. And I have air out 2 brakes. I think it should be good to go. Okay, let's just control the max min. Yes, it looks good to me. It's standing in a downhill, but still. If you can see this, but it says max. This arrow. And here we go. Away with this. And we need the plastic, which should be around here somewhere. Oh, it's a little moist, so I think we need to dry it off first. Yes. Then again, let's take a look at this one was on the left front wheel, and this was on right. They don't look to be the same to me. Maybe this one has been changed somehow over the years. Looks much newer. See the coupling, this is full of rust. This is brand new. Yep. And this is the brand new one from Brickworks. A bit dark, yes. Before you put the wheel back on, it's of course important to get rid of all the brake fluid that you have got on your bodywork and frame and everything. So yeah, let's hose it down. So that's how easy it is. It was, yes. I find it at least very easy to do. All the nuts was not rusted, so everything loosened up easily, and yeah. All in all, I'm very happy with the job so far. I think I saved at least $100, maybe $200 by doing this myself. Or in euros, the same. Okay guys, that's all for now. But see you later in another video when we are going to change the same hoses for the rear, which is much shorter. Come on. As you can see. Yeah. But that we will have to do some other day. Thanks for watching again, guys. See you.